Hey guys, we're over here in Plano today doing a Christmas light install. We've done a few already, but we're about to start doing a Christmas light. Doing it across the roof line here, going back on the gutters, do some of these windows, do the garage door. We're also going to do some of these archways. Back through here around the front door, we're also going to do the top windows and pretty much just bring this place to life for the Christmas holidays. And of course, you know, if you don't celebrate Christmas, you got other holidays that want lights too. But one thing we have been getting questioned on quite a bit is some of our estimates that we're writing. We're quite a bit higher than your normal landscapers running around doing Christmas lights. The main reason for that is, one, we carry a general liability insurance, pretty much covering anything if electrical were to happen. God forbid that nothing does happen, but if your house were to catch on fire or something like that, because we are playing with live electricity, we do have the proper insurance to cover that. A lot of the landscaper stuff like that, nothing against them, they're great at what they do, but they do not have the right insurance to cover your home when it comes to electrical. Same with like inside doing a ceiling fan. You're not going to have the landscaper come hang a ceiling fan or do electricity. So when we're out here doing the outside, we take our time, and that's why we charge more. It's not about the time we're here, it's about the expertise that we have. Also getting on roofs, we know how to properly walk on the roofs. We got our ladders. Of course, we're not even set up here yet to get up there. We just pulled up. But we're making sure that, you know, we're safely on the roofs. We have our insurance coverage if anything happens. And then of course we're using all LED bulbs. They're custom fit to your house. You know, we don't do the old incandescent lights that'll actually break. These, if they break, they're just plastic, so it's hard to break them. We make sure everything's tied in. We actually do our splices the correct way. We're not just wrapping duct tape or just electrical tape. We actually use the shrink wrap, stuff like that, to make sure it's properly installed, so there's not going to be anything electrical that might arc out. So that is why, you know, we are quite a bit more expensive than a lot of the landscapers, but it's because you're paying for quality. Not saying they're bad at what they do, but you know, of course, the insurance is the main thing. If something were to happen to the house, you are going to be covered. So other than that, that's mainly the question we get. And of course, right now we're still taking quite a few more clients before Christmas, but of course Christmas is coming up pretty fast, so you might want to get on the schedule as quick as you can. All you really need to do is shoot us over an email or to our Facebook, shoot over a photo of your front house or the address and your email address, and we can real quick whip you up a quote within a couple hours once we receive that. So anyways, this is Garrett with Warrior Wolf Contractors. You'll have a great day.